Imagine typing names on the internet might earn you up to $400 per day. I mean, how awesome is that? This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, and if you guys don't capitalize on this, you might end up missing out on this. So make sure to watch this video till the very end, because imagine just typing 5 pages is gonna make you $75. Typing 100 pages is gonna make you a lot of money, and hence why the earning potential is limitless. You guys have no limits. You guys can earn as much money as you want by simply working as much as you want. This method also works worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you live. You guys can live anywhere in the world and this method is still gonna work for you. You guys can live in Afghanistan, Pakistan, America, wherever, and this method is still gonna work for you regardless of your location. So to get started, all that you guys need to do is simply follow this video step by step till the very end and not skip anything, because if you guys skip anything, well then honestly I cannot guarantee that this particular method is gonna work for you or not work for you. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and not skip anything. And without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into step number 1. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you guys to come on to talentdesire.com. Now guys, talentdesire.com is basically a website that is going to give you so many different options to get started with your work. So over here you guys can basically see their dashboard. So how does it work? You simply select an online job from home and apply for free from all over the world. Secondly, you can work at home and tap into a global network of work. And thirdly, they make it really easy to connect you with popular employers and begin doing work from home. Thirdly, you guys can choose a payment method that works best for you, from PayPal to wire transfer and so much more. Then you also have the option to do some online proofreading jobs as well. You have the option to do some freelance blogging jobs, language translation jobs, and also online paid surveys. Now over here you guys can basically see affiliate marketing jobs as well. So you should expect to get a minimum work of US $1,250 per month, and you can earn up to $25 to $400 per day or more. Then you also have the option to do some online teaching jobs too, some online typing jobs as well, and also some medical transcription jobs as well. So all in all, the options are there and you can definitely get started ASAP. So now from over here, what you guys need to do is simply click on online proofreading jobs. Now once you guys click on online proofreading jobs, now from over here, it's gonna give you all the information that you need to get started. You can earn up to $9,450 to upwards of up to $33,000 per year, and as your skills and experience will grow, so will your bank balance. You should expect to get minimum work of $787 per month, and you also have the option to work part-time, full-time, from home jobs. Only you will need a quiet place for your freelance proofreading work, and the pay rates are absolutely amazing. Most proofreaders are paid based on production, so the more you work, the more you can earn. Now over here you can also see all the different amounts of money that you can make. So as a beginner, you can make up to $0.035 per word, and then as you grow, your pay will almost be doubled to $0.065, and then as you grow more, your pay is going to be almost doubled again to $0.85, and then of course the experts are making $0.125. Now I'm going to be giving you a method through which you guys will not even have to read the paragraph or the text that they send you. You will be able to just simply correct it ASAP. So over here you can also see how much money you can make for just 3 hours of work a day and all that good stuff over here. And of course over here you guys can see the requirements. So you need to have the basic knowledge of the internet and English, which I'm sure you guys must have because you're watching this video. And secondly, you need to have a minimum typing speed of 30 to 50 words per minute, which is pretty slow, so I'm sure you guys will also have that. And of course you also need a computer with a high-speed internet connection. Now when they say high speed, they just mean a 5 Mbps connection, not more than that, because of course you only need to just like take documents and submit them. Then of course you also have to be at least 16 years of age. Now this is something that you have to be careful with, because of course if you try to cheat the system, you might get caught. But again, if you want to do that, sure, go ahead, you can do that. So after that, you guys can see that there are absolutely no registration fees. Like I told you in previously, that this method does not require any investment whatsoever. And of course, over here, your accuracy has to be very high, and you can simply click on apply now, and it's going to take you over to another page. So over here, you guys can basically select an application form. You can complete it as per guideline, and you can then submit and then simply send it to them. Then after that, you can also review the application, you can schedule your interview, and after that, they have the final decision. And then of course, if they accept you, they accept you. If you don't, well then they don't. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to get started with Talent Desire. And of course, the bot that you have to use is called Grammarly Autocorrect. So just simply use this bot. So if I were to just simply open up this bot, after that, I'm gonna type in paragraph with spelling mistake. So once I grab this particular box over here, I will just simply grab some text from over here, that text which is incorrect. So let me just simply choose 8th grade, and then hopefully we can just simply grab our text from over here. So now from over here, I will just simply try to find a paragraph. So here we have a paragraph that is not grammatically correct. So I will just simply copy it and paste it in the Grammarly tool. And then after that, now from over here, let's click on check your text. So once you click on check your text, it's going to take just a few seconds. And then after that, it is going to tell you exactly what's missing. And you can also just simply buy its subscription if you want to, or you guys can use it for free. And then after that, you guys can just simply correct all the mistakes from this particular text. So guys, that is how you can actually do these proofreading jobs within no time. And you will be able to, of course, get them done ASAP. Then of course, you also have other websites as well, such as Go Transcript. Now Go Transcript is also another transcription website, but over here the jobs are a bit more complicated. So when you guys come on to Go Transcript, you guys can see that you will be paid up to $0.6 per audio or video minute and $150 average monthly earnings, and the top monthly earnings can go to about $1,200. So like, again, good money. But of course, if you guys were to use multiple websites, well then of course this is going to become way easier. Then you have the option to, of course, get started with this, but of course they are very serious about the verification. So make sure to, of course, put in your phone number and your face, meaning your picture, and also a real-time photo with verification code written on paper. You will also be paid reliably via PayPal every single week. You can work flexible hours, you can grow your skills, you can stay busy, you can choose your own project as well. And also these are all the job languages over here. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to get started with Go Transcript, and it's very, very fun to work with as well. Then you also have the option to go with Transcribe Me, and Transcribe Me has a top monthly earnings of $2,200 and an average monthly earnings of $250. Now that is higher than Go Transcript, but of course you will have to practice and you will be able to, of course, make money. So guys, these were the websites that I had for you in this video. And if you were to practice this method, you will end up making good money for yourself. So guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.